Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got another order from the Mega Drop Shop. I have trouble saying that for some reason, but this is, I think it might be my last order. I have one more that's supposed to come, but it is not showing that it's been tracking. It doesn't have a tracking at all, and I've asked Boxycharm about it, and they don't seem to understand what else is new, that it's not out there. And it was a fabulous buy. This one and the one that I'm missing were boxes that were a fabulous buy. These are 3 former boxes. These 3 are all base boxes, and this was $20. All right, let me take this off of here. So I paid $20 for each of these $28 boxes. Maybe when they came out, they were $25 boxes. So $75 for this or more. And then of course the value is way higher than that. The value is, this is supposed to be $685. And then that was $20. So to get me to the $25 for the free shipping, I had to buy a sponge gel, which was $3, and they didn't send it to me because they ran out of them. And, you know, how do they run out of that stuff? And then the wonderful Super Beauty Honey Jarrett masks. These are in the apple that are fabulous. These are wonderful masks, thin, so they stay on your face nicely. There's 5 in this box. This is valued at $14 for this box, but I paid $3 for this box. Now, these are often on BOXY, and they're anywhere from $3 to $5.99 when you see them. So they're even $5.99 is a great value for the 5 masks, in my opinion. Okay, because they're really nice masks if you ever get a chance to get them. The Mega Drop Shop, they always have, you know, better deals, or supposedly. So these, again, they're supposed to be May, 2 base boxes from May of 2021 and 1 base box from July of 2021. So we'll see what we have. I'm going to let's open the little one. I'm not sure, these 2 are the same size. I won't know until I get in there, you know, what's going on. If it gets too long of a video, I'll do a separate video, okay? There's always a nice seal here. And in case y'all don't see him, you might see his ear smudges right here in front of me. So they'll have the little card inside that'll tell you everything. So when you open it, this is just a little black box. There's no stuffing at all in here. There's your 5 products. The base box for BOXY used to be $25, $24.99, something like that. It's gone up to $27.99. There's a $1.99 handling fee. So it makes it about $30. At this time, it might have been still the $24.99. It might have even been before the $1.99 shipping and handling. I'm not sure. But you get 5 full-size products in the base box. They also have a premium box and a luxe box. And I have had those before. But the base box, I'm just happy with the base box. I really am. So the theme was fantasy. And so this says C2107, which means this box is from July 2021, and it was version number 3. And let's see what's in here. All right, we'll start off, I'm just grabbing things. Here is the Mud Masky. Mud Masky is a great product line. This product line, in my opinion, doesn't get enough kudos because it's a great product line. I wasn't real fond of it when I first got it, and I used it last winter. I had a winter mask, or it was called something like that, and it was fantastic. And I'm like, this doesn't get enough, you know, talk about. But this is a huge tube. This is, of course, these are all full-size products. This is the vitamin-infused eye serum, and this is big for an eye serum, very big. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. So this is valued at $63, and I don't know that I've ever tried their eye masks or their eye moisturizers before. I can see in there with the light, this is full. That is just huge. It'll last a long while. Okay, next that I'm seeing in here, oh, this is that thing that a lot of people didn't like. I never got it. So this is the Alley-Oop Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen, valued at $25. I've been fortunate up to this moment to never get any Alley-Oop products. I know a lot of people say, oh, they're nice, but I've heard too many negative things about this. See how this is? There are 4. This is like your, you know, your old-timey pen, like there'd be red and black and blue like that. And this is a makeup pen. So it's for when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. So let's see, we've got brown. Okay, so there it is. I can see like it's in a plastic and then it's a brown. And there is, all right, you've got to, this is a darker brown. Oh, you can see that darker brown. You've got to sort of release it before you put the other one down, and there's a black liner. And let's see what this one is. You've got to, let's see, release them. Then there's one that looks white. Taupe, I guess it's a taupe. I'm not going to ever use this, y'all. Ooh, this twist, I wonder if that lengthens it. I'm not real sure. But I can see people were saying when they were using it, it wasn't very steady. But then again, I saw other people that liked it. So, but I'm never going to use it. I just know I won't. So that'll go back in the box, and y'all will see it in the future giveaway probably. All right, so next up we have 3 more items, and I'm seeing a palette in there, which is nice. Okay, this is a detox, the Lifestyle Company of Los Angeles. I've seen them before for vitamin C powders. This is a detox hair serum, nutrient plant scalp treatment. Oh, wow. That sounds very nice. It's probably nothing that I will use. Nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. Made from nutrient-dense plant oils. This is valued at $79, y'all, and I know exactly who I'm going to send this to. It says that the formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp and promotes healthy growth. I have a dear friend I have a couple of dear friends actually that are having trouble with their hair. And you know, they don't know what it's from. And it could be our age. When you get a certain age, sometimes people lose their hair. Also have heard COVID. When you've had COVID, you can have some hair issues. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful frosted bottle, and it's an oil. So very, very nice. This is an interesting box. And then next I have a Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner. Now this I've had many times. This is a nice product. It's valued at $20. It's a jet black liquid liner. So Bella Pierre is a good brand. We get it in a lot of boxes. This is how it is. It's this style. And I have in fact, I have one in use right now. I do believe. If I don't, I have something. I know that I have a blue one that is a different brand. Can't think of it at the moment. Laura Geller maybe. Anyway, this is nice. This is the kind of thing that people get afraid of because it's a liquid and it's on, you know, it's like a nail polish is what it looks like when it comes out. But it's a finer of a brush, so you have to practice with it. But I like it. It stays on nice. It works well. It goes where you put it. And then there is a palette, and it is sealed. It's pretty. It has this little bitty seal here, so I'm just going to cut it. This looks like a face palette. This is Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. Valued at $25. I don't really use bronzers at all. This is beautiful, though. I will say that. Let me take the color saver off. There's a nice mirror on one side. It's really pretty. Oh, I don't want to drop it. The palette itself is gorgeous. You see the beautiful gold in there, and look at the nice imprints. This is really pretty. Somebody that knows how to do the contour and bronzing would really like this palette. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So that is my little one of my boxes. I'm going to put everything back in it. I'm going to open up another one, and then I might do a separate video if it gets too long, okay? But I just love this itsy bitsy box. Is adorable. Great for storing things. Okay, let's just grab the next one. Okay, this one's a little beat up. And if it gets too long, I may stop in the middle and do another video, y'all. I don't like, you know me, I don't like videos to get too long. All right. This is what it looks like inside. Whoops, things are falling out. This is so funny. This is, I'm laughing at what I see in there. Boxycharm Flourish. Now, I don't remember that. That is from This is from May 2021. So the last two boxes, the two boxes I have left are from May. They were supposed to be. This is version 132. So it's really pretty. Flourish. So right on top, I see this Ziploc bag. Let's see what this is. That's nice that they put it in a Ziploc bag. I don't think that they really do that anymore. This is the PCRO Prime Pro Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. Now, primers are, we don't get a lot of, we get primers, but not eye primers. By the size of this, I'm assuming it's an eye primer. A water-based primer designed to glue the eyeshadow in place. See, this is nice. This is valued at $15. Alamar brand, Alamar Cosmetics. So what you do is, I have a few going, so I don't want to, it's not sealed. But you just put a little bit on your fingers, put it on your lids, and it takes a moment or two to dry, and then your eyeshadow will stay on all day. So especially if you have somewhere to go, or if you wear full shadow all day, to work, you want it to stay on and not to crease. I get a lot of that crease stuff, so that is very nice. This is what I'm laughing about because here's the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. I got this palette and I gave it to a friend, then this is in my, I just picked this for my December Ipsy Plus because it's come back around. This is valued at $34. Violet Voss is an expensive brand. It's a beautiful palette. It's olive, like a green olive, but there's not a lot of greens going on in here. It's very beautiful. I don't know. This is so funny because when I gave it away. I was happy to give it to a friend that I thought would really like it. But then when I gave it away, then I wish I had it. But when I look at it, yeah, I would use these, but I have so many palettes. So I would use some of them. I love these greens are beautiful to me. I don't like a real bright greens, so these are beautiful. But a lot of these mattes are the same old mattes that I already have. So I don't know that I really use it or not. I may keep one since now I'm going to have two before you know it. So, but one of them will go in a giveaway. So that is beautiful. And next I see this little thing. This is a Shadow Flip by Ciate London. This I think I was just introduced to recently as well from my Fab Fit Fun. This is valued at $20. Oh, this is different looking. It's a shadow, eyeshadow. It's gold. I don't think you'll be able to see it because the lettering is gold. It's got shift to it. Let's just open it. I'm not a real big liquid eyeshadow person, but I will use it, especially when you have a primer to use. It says that it'll shift color. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. So I'm gonna let's do it. Let's swatch it. Look at that cool. That is clear, and then it's got look at. Can you see all that shifting going on? Oh, that is fabulous. Wow. Here it is. It's a little cakey. It might be because it's older. It might be a little dried out. I don't know. There, I'm sort of blending it all over so we can see. Look at the shifting. Wow. There's green, there's rust, there's burgundy, there's gold. Wow. That is pretty cool. I like that. I'll be using that. It is a little dried up. It's that's what happens when you get an old box, But I'm excited about that because it's fun, and I never would have tried it before if it wasn't this cheap. All right, y'all, I'm going to end this video, and I'll show the other two products in the next video with the other box, okay? Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Whoa. Y'all, take care. Have a good day.